Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling tools and protecting the dash. Wear gloves and move fast. Heat the adhesive for 20 to 40 seconds with a hair dryer to soften the glue. This reduces bond strength and prevents plastic damage. Once warm, pry a corner up gently with a plastic scraper. Make a small gap. Then use dental floss like a saw, working back and forth under the pad to slice the softened adhesive. Keep the heat on short bursts to avoid warping trim. Now focus on the stubborn middle section where glue remains. Apply isopropyl alcohol or a citrus-based adhesive remover sparingly and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes to weaken the polymer bonds. Then gently scrape at a low angle, 10 to 20 degrees, to avoid scratching. Once loosened, wipe with a microfiber cloth using circular strokes. Repeat heating and solvent application on small sections rather than saturating the dash. This staged approach prevents solvent migration under trim and keeps the surface safe. Finish by thoroughly wiping the area with clean isopropyl alcohol and a dry microfiber to remove any oily residue. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling a new pad. If the dash looks dull, apply a vinyl conditioner per product instructions to restore appearance. Reattach using a manufacturer-grade adhesive or 3M replacement pad. Troubleshooting tip: if paint or finish begins to lift, stop immediately. Do not scrape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.